I have here the Pink Magic here. This is a magical cleaning paste. It says you can wash dishes with it, clean surfaces with it. I use it fantastically on my glass top. So I'm going to show you guys how all that right there works here. But you can use this here on barbecue grills, saucepans, stovetops, tiles, ceramics, and other tough surfaces with it. Basically, you just go ahead and take a wet rag, or you can take like a wet sponge with it, dip some of it in there, take some of it out, and then go ahead and scrub it on there, and then just go ahead and rinse it with water or wipe it down with water and let it go. And you're going to have a nice clean surface afterwards with it. On the inside, it's just a nice pink paste looking. Kind of see, been using it a lot. The smell is actually pretty pleasant with it for like a cleaning agent. So there's no like harsh smells with it. But there is a nice pleasant odor that comes out of it. That's like a cleaning kind of odor that you usually get out of most cleaning products with it. But right there it is, a nice fast cleaning right there. This is by Crown Clean, the Pink Magical Cleaning Paste, and I hope you enjoy it as well.